Okay, good morning everybody. This is Trader FX 711. The time is 6:57 in the morning on Tuesday the 24th of February. And just to confirm that, have a look here on this chart. Give you a date stamp. Okay, let me click on that bar there. Alright, and over at the left hand side here you can see the 24th of February 2009 at the 6 o'clock bar. Alright, so that bar there is a 6 o'clock bar which ends at 7 o'clock, alright, which is in 2 minutes time. We're seeing a potential trade setup here. What I want to show you, I'm going to go through the setup first. First I want to set up my highs. Here's my high over here. Okay, at this point. And we've got my potential lowest point down here. Right, that's happened over the week. Okay. And what we've got down here, right, is you have a look at volume. Now remember, volume is a real important issue in trading because volume represents professional activity. What we can see down here in this area is that the volume here is low. Alright, on the latest hourly bar, the activity is low compared to the last 12 hours if you count these hourly volume bars going back. Alright, so we're seeing here where price is closing, it's a down bar on a low volume. What does that mean? It typically means here that as the price is being pushed lower, there's less interest in the market at this point in time. Okay, price is the last thing to give you an indication, not the first. Okay, price has been dropping, alright? Okay, but if you wanted to be selling, you wanted to be selling back here. Alright, up at this point here. So at this point here, we want to be looking at buying the market, okay? So we're going to see a potential buy position coming up here. Okay, so we're going to go across to our trade station. We want to put a buy in at the close of this particular bar here. Alright, so we've got a low bar. There's our changeover now. Okay, so we want to go and get a buy anywhere right at this point. Okay, so let's go over to our charts, trade station, sorry. We're going to take a buy here. Okay, let me just bring up this. I'm going to trade one lot. Okay, here's our trade here. Okay, we've got one lot to trade. Let me submit that. I'm trading the Aussie dollar here at this point in time, and then I'll explain why I've gone back and done it like this. Alright, let me just set this up. Okay, alright, we're going to place a limit here at this point, 25 points away from that opening price. So 64.36 plus 25 is 61. Alright, so we want to change this to 61. That is where we're going to take our profit, and we're going to make roughly about just over 2%. Okay, just for this one trade. We don't know the stop point yet. I'll come back and do that stop soon. So let me just save this trade into the market. Okay, that trade has been saved. Alright. If we have a look down here at this point, you can see there we are in the market. Alright, there's our opening price, 64.36. Alright, now we just got to wait. There's our limit put in. We haven't got our stop in yet. I'll go back and do the stop soon. I'll show you where the stop point is. Okay, I want to go to the spreadsheet here. Alright, on the spreadsheet, alright, it's the 24th of February. Okay, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. There is our current balance. Alright, on the chart. On our trade station. Alright, there was our balance on Friday. And here is our balance now. Okay, if we go over to this column here, you can see that each trade that we've done was made roughly 2.5%. Okay, per trade. Made just over 5% on Friday, which was a good day. Alright, it wasn't too much hard work put into that. Alright, so here on the Aussie dollar, we're going to make I've got 1% written here, which means I'm looking at making $10.25. But what we're going to do, we sold the Aussie dollar. Okay, we sell. The price was 64. Sorry, we brought it. We didn't sell it. This time we brought the Aussie dollar. Oops. Early in the morning, typo errors. Alright, 60. We brought it at 64.36. Okay, we want to make a 25 pip profit. And there's our target. The formula's wrong there. We're going to take that price and add 25 pips to it. 64.61, right? Now you notice here the lot value says 0.4099. We can't have half lots. We've got to have full lots. So that's why over here we're going to place, we trade a one lot. One lot is worth $1 on the Aussie dollar, US dollar, okay, which means we're going to make a $25 profit on this trade. So if we do that, our projected balance is somewhere around 1,049.75, and our actual return will be something like 2.4%. All right. Now, margin required. How much money do we have to put up for this trade? Let's go up to our trade station again. Okay. Okay, here's our trade station. All right, up here, 64.43. That's how much money we have to put up for this trade. Okay. There's our balance there at 1,024.75, right? And this is a live account, okay? So 64.42 is how much we had to put up. So let me go back to that spreadsheet, 64.42. All right, that just gives me an indication how much money I just need to put up on this trade, okay? All right, going back to the charts. All right, now, as you can see, we've had a bit of movement. I'm just going to set up some parameters here. Okay, my stop point is going to be right below this point down here. Right, so the low there is 63.53. I'm going to go 5 points lower. It's 48. Alright, right there, that's where my stop is going to be. Okay. So let me just put that in here. My properties. Okay. Alright, parameters. So I'm going to show the prices. Alright, so price gets down to that point. That's my catastrophic stop. Okay. My limit is going to be up at 61. Okay, let me put that in. Computer's a bit slow this morning, never mind. Okay, 61. So price gets up to there, that's where we're going to take our profit. I just put lines in here just to indicate where it would be. Okay, there my profit line is, that point. Okay. So let me go and put the stop in at 63.48. Alright, that's my stop point. Alright. Click on there. So I'll stop some my limits. Come on. Oops. Okay, where's this? I'm gonna stop. Oops, wrong bar over here, sorry. So at the moment we're 10 points up on our trade. Okay, you can see down here. Alright, we're 11 points up. Okay. Alright, so our stop is going to be at 63.48. I'm going to place this, place order, yes. 348. Okay, save that trade there. And there we've got our stop in. Okay, so we're going to come back again and I'll do the next video when this trade is profitable for us. Okay, we'll see you again probably around about 11 o'clock back at my time for second trade. Okay, catch you then.